I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by marking proportions. Measure a 1-unit vertical stem so the letter looks balanced. Once done, place two 45-degree arms at the stem midpoint. This establishes the K silhouette. Make construction boxes behind each arm to indicate thickness and perspective. Use light lines. You will refine them. You must decide a vanishing point now so all depth lines converge consistently, because consistent perspective is why the K will read as three-dimensional. You now convert flat strokes into planes by projecting depth lines toward the vanishing point. Do this for the stem and both arms so all faces align. Make offsets of 1/4 to 1/2 unit to establish consistent thickness across parts. Next, connect matching corner points to close the top, side, and inner planes. These connections give the K its volume. Pay attention to overlapping planes so you know which face sits in front, because that affects later shading choices. You finish by cleaning up. Erase the construction lines and strengthen the final contours so the 3D shapes read clearly. Once done, pick a light source and apply directional shading. Use midtones on faces facing light and darker values on guarded planes, adding a cast shadow to anchor the form. Make sure to check for shortening and silhouette. If an arm looks off, nudge its vanishing projection slightly. Quick troubleshooting tip: if proportions feel wrong, remeasure the stem-to-arm ratio and realign to the vanishing point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.